Hey guys, it's Kelsey here, and today we are making a lava lamp and something called a floating jellyfish. So get your guys' parents and have them help you just grab a few things around the house that I will explain you need, and let's get started.
We will need an empty water bottle, about 1 cup of water, enough vegetable oil to fill that water bottle, some food coloring, a funnel, and a couple Alka-Seltzer tablets. Okay, the next thing we want to do is take our funnel and put it in the bottle, and then take approximately 1 cup of water and fill our bottle. Next, we want to take our vegetable oil, and using our funnel again, we want to fill the entire bottle up with vegetable oil. Now, you will start to see that it will separate from the water because water is more dense than vegetable oil. Now, once the vegetable oil has separated from the water, take your food coloring and then put approximately 4 to 5 drops inside the bottle. Food coloring also is more dense than vegetable oil, so you will see it will sink right through, right to the bottom into the water, and then you will notice that the color of the water will change. Next, we're going to take our 2 Alka-Seltzer tablets, and if you find it's too big to fit through, just break them in half and plop them right in. This is where you will start to see the experiment turn into something amazing. What you're going to see now is the Alka-Seltzer reacting with the water and creating carbon dioxide gas bubbles. This looks pretty cool, guys. I want to see what you guys can come up with. I want to see what other colors you guys can create, and I want to see you guys get creative. You can throw some glitter in there, whatever you guys think of. Just have some fun with it. And once it separates from the water, the vegetable oil in the water, you can relive the experiment all over again and just throw some extra tablets in. Have some fun. Okay, let's get ready for our next experiment. Jellyfish in a bottle. Okay, you'll need a full bottle of water, a mason jar, some string, some scissors, a plastic bag, and some food coloring. Okay, the next step is to take your food coloring. I chose blue just because it kind of reminds me of the ocean, and since we're making a jellyfish, I thought it would be perfect. So put about 4 to 5 drops in and just let it mix with the water, and we'll get on to the next step. Okay, now that we've mixed our water and our food coloring, we're going to take our plastic bag. I just used a basic garden bag. If you guys can find any other thin plastic, that'll work just as well. And I am going to cut approximately 1/2 foot by 1/2 foot square, so about 6 inches by 6 inches, 8 inches or so. The idea is to not use too big of a piece because we want our jellyfish to be able to fit through the hole of our water bottle. Now what we're going to do is take our mason jar, or you guys can just use any glass cup that you have, and then we're going to take our square piece of plastic, put it a little bit in the mason jar, and pour a little bit of water in. This is going to be the body of our jellyfish. And try not to put too much water in because it needs to be able to fit through the hole of the water bottle. And then we are going to fasten it with our string. You guys can use any type of string. I use dental floss here, or you can even use little elastic bands if that's easier for you guys. Now what we want to do is take our little jellyfish and start cutting strips in the plastic. We want long strips so it looks exactly like a jellyfish. Do as many as you possibly can. As thin as you want, as thick as you want, it's up to you. Now the fun part. We want to take our jellyfish that we just finished cutting and we want to fit it into the top of the water bottle. It might be a little bit tight. Hopefully you didn't make it too big, the body of the jellyfish. If you did, just release a little bit of water and it should go in just fine. Now, if you find you need to top off your water bottle with just a little bit more water, you guys go right ahead. And there we have it, our jellyfish in a bottle. Isn't that awesome looking? I hope you guys had fun today.